Sakai can be accessed with a computer or mobile device. When using a desktop or laptop computer, course sites can be accessed from the tabs in the Favorites bar at the top of the page. Additional sites may also be listed in the Sites drawer to the top right. Not all courses will have a Sakai site. Contact your instructor if an expected site is not displayed. The Sites drawer can be used to adjust the site tabs that display in the Favorites bar. It's recommended to rearrange the Sites tabs at the beginning of each semester so it's easy to access relevant courses. Click the star to the left of a course title to toggle it as a favorite. Sites that aren't marked as favorites will not display in the bar. To search for a specific site, type the course title into the Filter Sites field. To rearrange the order of the Sites tab in the Favorites bar, click the Organize Favorites tab. Then, click and drag the handle of a course, which looks like 3 stacked lines. Drag courses up or down the list to reorder. The switch to the right controls whether or not new course sites are automatically added to the Favorites bar. Allowing this setting will make it easier for you to locate new Sakai sites. When done, click the X to the top right to close the drawer. To see new changes, click Reload. If the Sites drawer becomes cluttered, sites can be hidden in Preferences. Click the User Account menu to the top right, select Preferences, and click the Sites tab. Then, check the boxes of courses to be hidden and click Update Preferences. Course sites can also be unhidden here at any time. On mobile devices, only the current site will display in the navigation area. To access favorites and other sites, tap the Sites drawer. To search for a site, use the Filter Sites field. To favorite a site, click the star icon to the left of its name. Favorite sites are displayed in the Favorites tab. Tap the name of a site to navigate to it.